Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our first generation Super Duty here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out those OEM dim and dingy headlight bulbs for our super bright CREE Mark V headlight kit. This kit's going to add a lot of light, especially at night. You're going to be able to see a whole lot better, and it's going to make you and your family a whole lot safer while you're driving. Let's jump into the install right now. Alright, the first thing we need to do is remove these two metal tabs that are located at the top of the headlight assembly. We're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers to clamp down on these tabs and pull directly up, like so. Taking ours off a couple times so they come off pretty easily. If they don't, you can use a flathead screwdriver to kind of come along the side of it and pry it open a little bit and pull straight up at the same time, and that'll allow them to come off fairly easily. All right, the next thing we need to do is there's a screw located behind the headlight assembly. We're going to use a T20 size driver to start working this screw open. There's a clip that's located down at the bottom of this headlight assembly that is very difficult to reach. So instead of trying to reach down and unclip it, we're going to back this screw out, and that'll allow the clip to open up, which will allow the prong to just slide out, and then we'll be able to remove the headlight assembly. Now that we've removed our two metal clips and backed out our screw, we're going to pull directly away from the truck, and you can see the headlight bulb here, and there's a lock collar on this bulb holding it in place. You're going to want to turn that and pull away, and then the bulb will remove like so. Now we're going to set our headlight assembly off to the side, and we'll pull back on this lock collar, and you'll see that there's two tabs here that we need to lift them up, and that'll allow the headlight bulb to release from the connector. I'm going to go ahead, lift up, pull away from the connector, and once you pulled away there, you can remove the lock collar. Now that we have our headlight assembly removed, we're not going to be reusing the OEM lock collar due to the fact that it cannot go over the size of our fan here. So we're going to be using a bead of our included RTV silicone, and we're going to layer three separate layers of this silicone around this flat part here, the red rubber ring, and then this flat part here as well. And now we're ready to insert the bulb into the housing. There's three notches inside the housing that'll line up with the three notches that are located on this tab. So we're just gonna hold that into place. We're gonna hold it for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then we're gonna let this sit for probably about 30 minutes before we actually reinstall it, to make sure that the RTV silicone has time to set and that this bulb is not gonna go anywhere. All right, now that we let our RTV silicone set and this bulb is good and secure, we're going to take our ballast that comes with the kit and plug it into the factory connection. Hear that click into place. We'll take the circular end of our ballast and line up these pins here and connect it like so. Now we're ready to reinstall our headlight assembly, put back our metal tabs and our screw back into place, and we'll be good to go. So that's all there is to installing our MKV CREE LED headlight kit. This kit's going to add a lot of light when you're driving at night, which is in turn going to make you and your family a whole lot safer and help you drive a whole lot more confidently. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED technology at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.